Hey there YouTube family, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a topic that's not just interesting but incredibly important, the health of our eyes. Thus, you're in the proper place if you're someone who spends a lot of time in front of displays or simply wants to make sure your eyes stay in the best condition possible. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our eye-opening content. Now, let's jump right in. Number 1. Carrots. Carrots are the traditional vision enhancer that tops our list. Carrots are a great source of beta-carotene, which is a precursor to vitamin A and is essential for keeping healthy vision. They help protect the surface of the eye and contribute to overall eye health. So, snack on some crunchy carrots for a natural vision pick-me-up. Number 2. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, carrots, cantaloupe, mangoes, and apricots are among the orange-colored fruits and vegetables that are rich in beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A that aids in night vision or the capacity of your eyes to adjust to darkness. A single sweet potato also provides a little amount of vitamin E and over half your daily need of vitamin C. Number 3. Blueberries. Now, let's talk about the tiny but mighty blueberries. These tiny marvels, rich in anthocyanins, have been connected to better night vision and general eye health. Pop a handful of blueberries as a snack or toss them into your morning smoothie for a delicious eye-boosting treat. Number 4. Eggs. 7th on our list, eggs. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, similar to spinach, which promote eye health by reducing the risk of macular degeneration. Moreover, eggs are a flexible component that work well in a variety of recipes. Both your taste senses and your eyes will benefit from it. Number 5. Raw red peppers. The vitamin C content of bell peppers is highest per calorie. That is beneficial to your eyes' blood vessels and may reduce your chance of developing cataracts, according to scientists. Numerous fruits and vegetables, including papayas, strawberries, cauliflower, and bok choy, contain it. Since heat degrades vitamin C whenever possible, consume it raw. Colorful peppers are also packed with visually appealing vitamins A and E. Number 6. Dairy products. Yogurt and milk have several advantages for eye health. In addition to being high in calcium and phosphorus, they are also high in zinc and vitamin A. Zinc helps transport vitamin A from the liver to the eyes, and vitamin A is essential for protecting the cornea. There you have it. 8 amazing foods that can help preserve and repair excellent vision in addition to protecting your eyes. Remember, a balanced and nutritious diet is key to overall eye health. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Stay eye healthy.